Gotta get bacon. Cannot go wrong with bacon. Home cooked Amish style. Had shoe fly pie before, but never shoe fly cake. We just took the whole damn pig. Looks like you might have done that a time or two before. Stewed crackers? I don't know if I ever had stewed crackers. Oh, this apple butter. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, and today I'm adventuring with my sister. There she is. Trish is with me, and we are about to get our tummies full. It's a beautiful snowy day. It's cold as hell, but not as cold as it has been here lately. You guys are absolutely loving these food videos, so we're going to show you another food option here in Lancaster County, located in East Earl, Pennsylvania, very, very close to Shady Maple. And if you guys are enjoying the Shady Maple videos, which you absolutely love, and you don't want to go to an absolute huge, massive tourist attraction, then I think you guys are going to want to stick along for this week's adventure, because there is another absolutely delicious home-cooked Amish-style food option that's located within miles from Shady Maple, and it's called Yoder's Restaurant and Buffet. So if that sounds interesting to you, then I hope you guys stick along for today's adventure, because I think it's going to be a pretty delicious one. So let's head in there. I'll show you guys around and tell you a little bit more about this place. Just like Shady Maple, you have country store, pharmacy, a lot more going on than just their restaurant and buffet. Hello, two?
Do you have a preference, a booth or a table?
Booth, please.
Is the booth in our middle room okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Any menus, or are you doing the buffet?
I'm gonna do the buffet.
All right.
Thank you very much. Oh, okay. All right, thank you very much. All right, well, it's go time. It's time to go get our tummies full. Let's go see what they have here. A hot buffet, some cinnamon rolls, some baked French toast, pancakes, syrup. Ooh, shoe fly cake. That looks pretty good. French toast, baked oatmeal, some steel cut oats, some scrambled eggs, home fries, corned beef, cream beef, biscuits, bacon, some tater tots, ham, really cool. They also have a hot bar here where you can get omelets, fried eggs, anywhere you like, scrapple.
Mushroom and spinach. Anything else?
I think we're gonna definitely get that. I love me some scrapple. If you guys seen our other videos, absolutely love scrapple. Let me know down in the comments. Is scrapple your thing? Let's look over here. We have pancakes, corn fritters, waffles, and grapes. It's go time. Let's get our round number one. It's getting a little full in here right now. Everyone wants to get their tummies full for breakfast. I'm gonna try me some of this baked French toast. It looks delicious. Alright, let's get some scrambled eggs here. Can you give me some quiche? A little bit of quiche? Yeah, perfect. Thank you much.
That would be amazing.
Tag teaming it here right now. Do some home fries. Yeah. Right where?
Want some eggs, William?
Good? Alright, let's get get some biscuits with cream beef. A little on the taters too. Gotta get bacon. Cannot go wrong with bacon. We just took the whole damn pig. We're gonna do a little bit of tater tots with some cheese. Alright, well there it is. There's round number one. So the plate, got some biscuits with some cream cheese beef, bacon, some taters, baked French toast, a little bit of quiche, some eggs, some tater tots with cheese. Looks absolutely delicious. I am hungry, and it's time to get our tummies full here. I'm a huge fan of quiche. Fun fact, I didn't really know what quiche was until a couple years ago. Now I love it. It's absolutely amazing. That's delicious. I think the scrambled eggs gonna have a hard time competing with that. I've seen a couple other very interesting options that are up there. Let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite go-to for breakfast? Especially at a breakfast buffet. Usually when I go to a diner, it's kind of like 2 eggs over easy, home fries, coffee. You gotta get the side of scrabble. But let me know what is your favorite go-to. And that's a fun fact for what Trish just said. The food here is amazing. So if you don't want to go and kind of get all caught up in that tourist trap of Shady Maple, come on over to Yoder's because their food is just as good. Their prices are a little bit better. I'll put some prices up here for the different meals that you have. But it's just good home cooked quality food. And you can't go wrong with it. The other cool thing about here is if you do want more of the restaurant experience, you can just order regular meals instead of doing the buffet if you'd like. I'm sure you see them while we were up there. I don't know if a bus just came in, but it got insanely full. And usually you don't have, at least the times that I've been here, you don't have that much overcrowding because they're certainly not set up space-wise like Shady Maple is. Let's try the biscuits with the cream beef. I love cream beef.
Are we doing buffet? That's buffet. That's all you can eat. So the grilling station over there, that's your breakfast.
That is perfect.
How is everything, guys?
Perfect.
Good.
Thank you.
Very good.
One thing to note is a little different too. Because it's more of like a restaurant setting here, you do get your drinks. They don't really have a drink buffet, so you get any drink that you want. You just order that through your waitress here at the table. Some other very interesting information though is they also offer a free meal on your birthday here. And I believe if you're over 62 or older, they offer a 10% discount for senior citizens. It's always nice. Always nice to be able to help out there. Fixed income, cheer on it. It's no joke. It's tough. The bacon. Yeah. Anytime you can have unlimited bacon is a good time for me. So nice and crispy. I gotta go in on this baked French toast. Trish highly recommends this. So, without further ado, baked French toast.
They're very good.
Oh, that is perfect. I said quiche was my favorite thing. I think I'm with you.
My favorite, for sure.
I think it's a baked French toast. It's damn good. I'm gonna turn the camera off, get our tummies full here, and then let's head back up to that hot bar. I was looking at some of those omelets and scrapple. A couple other things I'd like to get and try yet here, and I still have to show you their desserts.
5 hours later.
How you doing, sir? Can I please have a ham, egg, and cheese omelet and scrapple?
What kind of cheese?
American, please.
We are rocking and rolling again.
Sounds good.
And I do have the strap on this side. If you like comforters, that would be on this side. I just throw it out there.
Looks like you might have done that a time or two before.
Well, when I first started, I can only do 2 at a time.
Yeah, okay, all right.
I used to. Do anything like that today, I ain't never gonna make it. I'll never make it. The only thing I tell people, if I got a whole big line up, just remember what order you put them in. I can't remember the order.
I don't blame you there.
I'm not sure what that is.
You want 1 or 2, my brother?
2, please.
Get off of there.
All right, thank you much, sir. Have a great one. Stewed crackers? I don't know if I ever had stewed crackers. I'm gonna try a little bit of stewed crackers here. I have no clue what that is. Get a little bit of baked oatmeal. Gotta get some cottage cheese because, let's face it, no meal's complete without my cottage cheese. Spruce it up a little bit today. We're gonna put a little bit of applesauce on it for breakfast. If you, this apple butter, put a little bit of that on the side. A little bit of apple butter on the side. Look, fruits and sweets. Ooh, look at them donuts. If Maury was here, that would be her favorite, the jelly-filled donut. And no breakfast is complete without some cereals. There is plate number 2. I have no clue what stewed crackers are. I've never even heard of it before. If you have, let me know down in the comments. Do you like stewed crackers? What is it? I'm about to find out. Let's dig in. We got a little bit of it. Here's stewed crackers. Kind of tastes like saltine crackers and milk with a little bit of cinnamon.
That's all you, bro.
It's not my favorite. I'm glad I only went with a wee little. We're gonna try some baked oatmeal here. Looks absolutely delicious. Has blueberries in it. You know how much I love blueberries. We're gonna dig in. Oh, that's good. What's that? Is that oatmeal with the syrup with nuts?
Mm-hmm.
It is. Looks absolutely amazing. Oatmeal. They have syrup with nuts in it. I've never had syrup with nuts in it. I tried it on their baked French toast, and it was amazing.
I put some brown sugar in it too.
Okay. I think that's the new go-to. Syrup with nuts.
I'm gonna be doing it for sure.
It's like, where's it been all over our lives? Mind if I try it?
Mm-hmm, go for it.
I'll use my spoon. I don't need off the spoon yet. There it is. That's legit. Mm-hmm. It's not too sweet. Perfect texture. That's legit. To try a little bit of scrapple here. It's cooked perfect. Nice and crispy on the outside. Nice and soft on the inside. Props to the chef. You did good. You gotta try this omelet yet. Good. Ham, egg, and
I'm
cheese
okay. How
omelet.
are you?
Good. This morning, heard yesterday.
It's not as cold, I don't think, as yesterday.
Heat up on the grill. Makes a damn good omelet. So if you come here, go to the hot bar, have them whip you up an omelet, get the scrapple. That's my pro tip for today. Hit up the hot bar. It's one of the most overlooked items when you come to a buffet. Typically people just go and get their food out of the bins. Check out the hot bar. You can't go wrong. That is a damn good omelet. Do. My cottage cheese here with some apple butter. And applesauce. It gives it just a good little sweet kick for breakfast. There was a couple items that I saw up there for dessert. I still got just a little bit of room for dessert. You know you gotta keep a little bit of room for dessert at all times. All right. Definitely going for the jelly donut. Look at that jelly in there. Maury loves jelly donuts. And she's missing it. Sorry about your luck. Had shoe fly pie before, but never shoe fly cake. I'm gonna give that a try yet. That is gonna be our dessert. Yeah, it's nice and mushy on the bottom there. I'm just gonna do one of those numbers. We gotta try the shoe fly cake. It's kind of very soft on the bottom. It's kind of like a wet bottom shoe fly pie in a cake form, and pretty crunchy on the top. That looks so good. It's very good. I love shoe fly pie. Shoe fly pie. So damn good. Yeah. In a cake form, might be even better. Because it has a nice crisp to it. Jelly donut. I don't know if they make them fresh here. Almost kind of feels like they do. It's a good donut. I don't know if they make them fresh here. They are warm, and they're amazing. So the waitress confirmed, donuts are made fresh here. All right, well there it is. There is Yoder's Country Restaurant and Buffet. I give it 2 thumbs up. I can't show both of my thumbs because I'm holding the camera. What do you think? You like it?
2 thumbs.
She got the 2 thumbs up. It's a delicious, delicious treat. So if you're around the Eastern area, make sure you come over here to Yoder's Buffet. Check it out. Absolutely delicious. You can't go wrong. You get your tummy full. You get all them feel-good feelings. But with that being said, I think that's going to wrap up this week's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out some of our other videos. YouTube would think you'd like this one here. Maybe that one there. Check them out. Make sure you subscribe. Stay safe. We'll see you on our next adventure.